name is Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Review. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Sith Troopers Battle Pack, number 75266. It is 6 plus 105 pieces, and it is the Lego Star Wars Disney set. So we chose this because, well, we haven't done Star Wars yet, and it looked pretty cool and fun to build. So this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give it a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about this set. Let's open it up. Okay, a good opening. So here we have bag 1, bag 2, the instructions, and this base. So let's open this. So this is the finished figure for the spaceship. So here we have this front shooter, and they also carry shooters, and we have the driver and the leader, and so it has this cool transparent circle here, and this is a very awesome spaceship because you can put many people in here, and you can even add a bunch of things onto it to make it decorative. And here is like to make it look like it's faster. And so we also have these guards here. Max put off the mask, but here. And so it's very cool. And so now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives for this set. So for the positives, it has 4 figures to play with. It has fun pretend laser guns that shoot, and the spaceship is very big and spacious. For the negatives, the figures are not very diverse. 2 of them are the same, 1 of them looks similar, and then Darth Vader is missing. And then the spaceship is rather simple. So the real question is, would I buy it again? Yes, I would, because even though it's simple, it's really fun, and you can add on to it to make it even more fun. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch our video next week.